Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is dedicated to helping students who are preparing for exams on government and literature. Okay, so today I want us to look at Jamb past questions, Jamb 2021 government past questions. Okay, and let's see the first one in 2021. The second ballot is based on the principle that a successful candidate must obtain dash. A. Absolute majority. B. Simple majority. C. 40% of the votes. And D. 50% of the votes. Now, first, what is second ballot? Okay. What second ballot or a runoff election? Second ballot has to do with conducting an election among two candidates with the highest votes because none of the candidates reached the threshold of being declared a winner. Okay, when you have more than two candidates contesting an election and none of them got to the threshold, the basic requirement of being declared the winner, okay, an election is being conducted among the top two to see the person that will win the election, okay, they see the person that will win amongst the two, okay, that is second ballot or runoff election. In second ballot, okay, the winner is the person that gets more than half of the vote cast. For example, if the total number of votes cast was 1,000, a winner can emerge with 501 votes. Okay, and this is called absolute majority. Absolute majority, okay, where the winner gets more than half of the vote cast, that is more than 50% of the vote cast. Okay, so the correct answer is option A, absolute majority. Okay, the principle of second ballot is based on absolute majority. Okay, where the winner gets more than half of the vote cast. Okay, not simple majority. Simple majority is a voting system where the winner is determined by his number of votes, okay, being the highest and not necessarily up to 50% of the votes cast, okay. The number of the votes of the winner, okay, has to be the highest, but it mustn't be up to 50% or half of the votes cast. This is against absolute majority, okay. Now, for a person using simple majority to be declared the winner, okay, his vote has to be the highest amongst all the contestants and not lower than the necessary number of votes required to win. So option B is not correct. C, 40% of the vote is not correct. 50% of the vote is not correct because second ballot is based on more than 50% of the votes cast. Okay. So option A is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is the least democratic selection process? We have option A, first past the post system, okay? B, proportional representation. C, indirect election. And D, co-option. The correct answer is option D, corruption. Okay, corruption happens where a stronger group, okay, group or a political party acculturates or subsumes a weaker group or a weaker political party to stop them from opposing them. Okay, this is where a stronger political party, okay, a stronger group takes over a smaller or a weaker political group to stop them from opposing them, okay? And this is not democratic, it's the least democratic amongst the other options, okay? Now let's see option A and see why it's not the correct answer. First past the post system, popularly known as FPTP or FPP, okay? This is an electoral system where the candidate with the highest votes wins, even if it's with one vote, okay? So if let's say five people contest for an election and um the total number of votes cast is 6, okay, and one person gets two votes and the other people get 1 vote each, okay. Now the person that gets 2 votes wins the election is not the correct answer, okay, because it is democratic. Now, option B, proportional representation. Okay, this is an electoral system where the legislative seat is based on the percentage of votes a party receives. Is an electoral system where the legislative seat is based on the percentage of votes a party receives. Okay, now if a party receives 30% of the votes, they get 30% of the seats in the legislature. Okay, so option B is democratic, so it's not correct. We are looking for the one that is not democratic, that's the least democratic. Okay, now, option D, indirect election. Indirect election is also called a hierarchical voting. Okay, it's also called a hierarchical election. It's an election in which voters do not choose directly among candidates or parties for an office. Okay, they don't choose directly among the candidates or parties. They don't choose the candidates by themselves, but elect people who in turn choose candidates for them. Okay, the electors do not vote for the candidates. What they do is to choose people, elect people that will make the decisions for them. Okay, so this is also democratic. Okay, so it's not the correct answer. Like I said, the correct answer is corruption. Corruption. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. An indispensable aspect of the constitution of a democratic state is option A, press censorship, B, presidentialism, okay, C, fundamental human rights, and D, socialist ideology. Okay, the indispensable aspect of the constitution. Okay, indispensable means something that one cannot do without, something very important. Okay, a very important aspect of the constitution is fundamental human rights. Okay, a constitution must contain fundamental human rights. Okay, now option A is not correct because press censorship does not allow freedom of expression among the press. Okay, it kind of prevents the press from reporting every event. So press censorship is not the correct answer. Option B, presidentialism. Presidentialism, you already know what presidentialism is. Is the type of government where the president is the head of the executive and there is separation of power between the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Okay, so option C, fundamental human rights, is the correct answer. Okay, so that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Please subscribe to this channel if you liked this video. If you got value from this video, please subscribe to the channel, okay, to help me know that you liked the video and would like the channel to keep bringing government lessons. Okay, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please share it to your friends. This is actually a very new channel, so I need you guys to subscribe to it so that it can help you to grow and also reach more other people who are preparing for their exam like you. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video. Bye bye.